All right, so here it goes. I moved to an area up here in North Georgia, and it will be South Carolina. I live on the line now, and I was out here looking for some trout, and I hadn't found any yet. I'm just like searching around, seeing if I can find some spots, but it's beautiful up here, man. So I hadn't caught any fish yet, but man, I found some waterfalls. If you've never been to North Georgia, you should take a trip, because southern, I guess this would be West South Carolina, right near the Chattooga River. It crosses over into Georgia. Man, it's beautiful out here. So, I ain't got any fishing content, but I got some waterfall content I'll post. Have a nice day.